especially cater to IPTV service and mobile TV service in India. The various stakeholders are our member, and we're trying to work with the regulatory and policy framework, how to make this thing happen. You're quite aware that broadband penetration in the country is very low, and these services are broadband hungry. Our role is to how to enhance the accessibility of the broadband to enable IPTV and mobile TV. This kind of forum is always good because these are the brainstorming sessions. We got to know from the vendors what they are having. We got to know from the operators what they intend to offer, and also the service provider and the regulatory and policy intake. So this is a quite good forum to interact or network with. WiMAX is not just started, because once the 3G are in place or WiMAX like VWA license being done, thereafter the mobile WiMAX will be happening. Right now there's no service at all of this kind of. The major challenge is last mile connectivity and the backhaul. So when you wanted to connect it, so the last mile is always a question. And so that's more of an urban aspect. When you talk about the rural aspect, there is a backhaul is always a question. So we feel that WiMAX would be quite fitting technology, both for the last mile as well as for the backhaul. And since IPTV and mobile TV are an interactive service, this is not just on a television, but there are a lot of interactive like you can have e-education, you have e-health, e-agro, all sort of e-commerce. All these are available through this medium. So that's required a constant flow of bandwidth. So that's why we feel that once the WiMAX is available, I think this will make much more accessible of this technology. See, rural market, for example, the demands are different. It is more of a video than just voice or voice, because rural folks they wanted to see what's happening, and therefore there will be much more bandwidth is required when it comes to video. So they wanted to see how the crop will look like. If there is any problem with the crop, they can show the crop through video, and then it goes to the experts and say this. Same with the e-medicine or e-education. So it's all video which play a role. So I feel that the new technology like 3G, 4G or WiMAX will definitely have a much more role to play in terms of providing this accessibility with the bandwidth, because it is a voice and video.